I have to tell you, I think there's been an enormous amount of change and innovation, I think, coming out in the industry. First and foremost, the industry continues to grow, which is obviously exciting. The second thing is I think we're seeing a larger number of companies coming out with capabilities that, and software and services that augment traditional CDN caching. And I think that's creating a dynamic opportunity that can be capitalized on both by global CDN providers, by content companies, and even by service providers. The third thing is I think that in the last 12 months we're seeing that the traditional network-based service providers are starting to play a larger and larger role in the evolution of CDN. And I think that that really is an interesting opportunity going forward for the industry. I think it'll drive competition and continued innovation. Well, frankly speaking, I think that service providers, in order to really maximize the economic opportunity that CDN provides for them, which frankly goes beyond cost reduction associated with transport cost, I think that the biggest opportunity for them is really competing as one of the alternatives for content companies in global CDN. Well, in order to deliver global CDN, you have to be able to, as a service provider, be able to offer a global internet-wide business. And with federated CDN, I think that is the first step to being able to do that. What's happening right now is everybody is focused on a lot of the, sort of the bits and bytes of caching and storage and that sort of a thing. I think really the true opportunities for CDN capabilities going forward really are going to be around the value-added services. Think about authentication, dynamic transcoding, intelligent ad insertion, context or contextual-based services as being things that will really be valuable to the content companies. Today, the content companies, are very focused on, QoS, and that's certainly very important. But going forward, content companies are going to have to compete with each other to gain the attention of the consumers that they want to reach, and they're going to need services that they can tap into to help create those differentiated experiences for their content.